So you just bought Jack, the rack,
I did.
and you're wondering, how do I install him?
Uh-huh.
Well, here's everything you need to know. First, open up that nifty little gift box you came in and get your spacers out. The diameter of my handlebars are 31.8, so I'm going to use the ones that are clearly marked 31.8. Both of them should secure snugly to either side of your handlebars. If not, snap the inserts underneath and try again. Step 2, grab Jack rack and snap him into place. That's not in place, but that is. Next up, pick out a load strap, then flip Jack around. The load strap hooks onto the little hooks on the other side of Jack. Hook both of them and then flip Jack around. If the load strap is the correct length, then Jack should be angled around 10 degrees. Next, grab that retention strap and take off the 2 rubber rings. Take the non-buckle end and thread it through the left hoop from front to back and pull it all the way through until the metal ring sticks out in the front. Thread the rest of it through the metal ring and pull the logo all the way through.
All the way through?
Then pull the strap through the right hoop all the way to the back.
All the way to the back?
At that point, you want to put your rubber rings back on.
Okay.
And position them here and here. Pass the strap all the way around and thread it inside to out.
All the way around.
And then really pull that strap to tighten it.
Grr.
Then you could put what's left of the strap through the rubber rings.
Rubber ring.
Also, the weight limit is 10 pounds, so don't carry other people on this.
Noted.
And that's pretty much it, because there are virtually endless ways to secure the bungee straps to your bike. Now, one pointer would be to avoid them hanging low so they don't get caught in your wheel, and you eat gravel. So that's pretty much everything you need to do to install Jack. Just make sure to make Jack happy by installing him correctly, or he'll come for you in your sleep. You'll never see it coming, but he'll come. He'll come.
So it's okay. Do that for yeah.
Jack, stop. Jack, no, please. I've done you good. I've done you good. The people will buy you, Jack. No, Jack. No, Jack.
Yeah.
Okay, Jack. You're the boss, Jack. Okay, I'm done. All right. Like and subscribe, guys.